Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to open map in Bereal or how to see location of others in your Bereal account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to open map in Bereal, all you need to do is simply tap open the Bereal app account itself. So once you tap on the Bereal app, you will open your account as well. So now you need to have friends to see their locations, or you can go in the discovery section and check anyone's Bereal post if they have posted it in the discovery section. So once you have your Bereal from your friend, you can just scroll down below and in bold letters you can see their location if they have turned it on. So if you tap on that bolded location, you can simply open the Bereal map and see their location on the Bereal app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.